Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome, viewers and Nexo, to this grammar class about verb to be, plural, we, you, they.
Hi, Emma. I am ready to learn.
First, I will show you the lesson structure. Theory. We learn the main rules. Examples. We see clear sentences. Quiz. You choose the correct form. Nexo. Are you ready to begin?
Yes, I am ready.
Now we start with the theory.
Great. I will listen carefully.
Plural subject pronouns. We, you, and they are plural subject pronouns. Example. We are friends. Example. You are a team. Example. They are children. In this lesson, you means more than one person. Example. You are students. Example. You are my friends. Affirmative sentences with are. Use are after we, you, and they in affirmative sentences. Example. We are at school. Example. You are in the park. Example. They are at home. The short forms are we're, you're, and their. Example.
We're ready.
Example. You're early. Example. They're happy. Negative sentences. For negative sentences, use are not after we, you, and they. Example. We are not tired. Example. You are not late. Example. They are not ready. The short negative form is aren't. Example. We aren't cold. Example. You aren't alone. Example. They aren't here. Questions and short answers. For questions, put are before we, you, or they. Example. Are we late? Example. Are you ready? Example. Are they inside? Short answers use yes or no with the subject and are clear. Example. Yes, we are. Example. No, you aren't. Example. Yes, they are. Good work with the theory.
Now I want to see more sentences.
We are in the classroom. You are good singers. They are in the kitchen. We're on the bus. You're very kind. They're near the door. We are not at the office. You are not small children. They are not in the garden. We aren't angry. You aren't far away. They aren't old books. Are we on time? Are you in the photo? Are they at the station? The examples are clear, and now it is quiz time.
I am ready for the quiz.
Choose an option. R. We are students. Choose an option. R. You are at home. Choose an option. R. They are teachers. Choose an option. Are not. We are not late. Choose an option. Aren't. You aren't tired. Choose an option. Aren't. They aren't here. Choose an option. Are. Are we ready? Choose an option. Are. Are you brothers? Choose an option. Are. Are they in the car? Choose an option. We are. Yes, we are. Choose an option. You aren't. No, you aren't. Choose an option. They are. Yes, they are. Good job. You completed the class.
See you in the next lesson.